So, you're ready to hit the streets of Los Santos, but GTA 5 is stubbornly refusing to launch. Don't worry, let's walk through some common fixes to get your digital mayhem back on track. Many times, your game files can get lost or corrupted if you're using Steam. Right-click on GTA 5 in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Rockstar Games Launcher users click on GTA 5. Then Manage Installation and Verifying File Integrity. This process checks your game files and replaces any that are missing or damaged. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open the Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card like NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers if there's an update. Install it. Drivers often cause problems. Let's check those compatibility settings. Right-click on the GTA 5 executable, the application file, often in your game folder. Go to Properties, and then the Compatibility tab. Try running the game in compatibility mode for an older Windows version like Windows 7 or 8. Also, check Run this program as an administrator. Remember to click Apply and then OK after making changes. Sometimes, your antivirus gets in the way. Open your antivirus settings, find the exclusions, and add your GTA 5 folder, typically within your Program Files or Program Files by 86 folder, and the game's executable file to the list. This ensures your antivirus doesn't interfere while you're playing. Launch GTA 5 again. If it still fails, you may need to reinstall the game. Also, remember to restart your computer and close any unnecessary background applications. With any luck, these fixes will have you cruising through Los Santos in no time.